'Tis the season for outdoor improvements on your property or in your neighborhood. There are 9 neighborhood councils under the umbrella of the Community Council of Tacoma, eager to help out with the little spruce-up projects involving litter cleaning up.
We have branded safety vests there to keep you safe, and these amazing orange U-tongs that the City of Tacoma Neighborhood and Community Services has purchased for us. This is the 3rd year of them helping to purchase supplies. You can't have a litter cleanup if you don't have the tools you need. Keep an eye out for litter-free 253 pop-up cleanups. We're constantly combing social media and looking to identify areas, and so what we'll do is we'll see someone say, hey, it's not looking so great over here, and as a surprise, we just roll out and clean it up. So definitely look out for pop-up events. Does the litter party stop? It does not. The party doesn't stop until the litter is off the street.
You may have seen volunteer litter cleanups throughout Tacoma neighborhoods on Saturday during Earth Day cleanups. However, the need continues year-round with support from the Litter 253 cleanup groups. For more information on how you can get involved with many of the spring-summer seasonal neighborhood projects planned, check out the Litter 253 Facebook page.